Hello and welcome to 3 Features in 3 Minutes. The purpose of this video is just to briefly show a few features that you may not be familiar with or you may not know how to use. Today we're going to look at emailing the end of day, end of month reports, how to add a price break, and a few tricks for searching the transaction log for previous sales history. The first feature I want to show you is how to email the end of day or month reports automatically. If you go into Preferences, type in your PIN number, go to Store Info at the top, and in here you can enter your email address and check the box that says Email Daily Monthly Reports. Click Save. And now, as part of the end of day and end of month closeout process, the closeout will be emailed to you in a PDF format, which looks exactly like the hard copy printout. The next feature I want to show you is how to add a price break. So let's go into point of sale. And let's say you have a part number, for instance, for hydraulic fluid for 5-gallon pails that you want to add a price break on if they buy 6 or more. Look up the part, and in the quantity field, type an I for part information. This will take you to a screen where you can add the price breaks. You've got 3 options. You can do a percentage discount, which just takes a percentage off of the sale price. You could do a fixed price, for instance, if you just wanted to sell it at $19.99 if they bought 6 or more. Or you can do a price level, which you could set it to sell at Jobber or Stock and Dealer or so on. For this, I'm going to choose percentage discount, and I'm going to put a 5 in there just to take a 5% discount if they buy 6 or more. I'll click Add, close the window. When I'm back into point of sale, I'll refresh the number, and I'll see that my price break has been added. So if I sell a quantity of 6, I'll get a 5% discount off the sale price. So let's add one to the invoice, type in a 6, and enter, and you'll see that the price break is applied. The last feature I want to show is just a couple of tricks on how to search the transaction log for previous sales history. You probably already know what the transaction log screen looks like, where you can search by date range, part number, invoice number, and so on. But if you type in an account number and put an H behind it for history and hit enter, it will take you to the transaction log with that account preloaded, which will save you a step. We'll close that. If you also have a part number looked up, along with the account, you'll see first of all that it'll tell you last sold to this account, along with the date, the quantity sold, and the price that you sold it for, and the invoice number. But if you hit an H at the sell quantity and press enter, it will take you to the transaction log, again with the account and the part number pre-searched. So this will give you every instance that you've sold this particular part to this account. And you do have some options. You can right-click on any of these line items, and you can reprint the invoice, view it on the screen, or email it directly to the customer. So that's it for 3 features in 3 minutes. Be sure to check out the rest of our training videos and follow us on Facebook and Twitter for more product announcements and updates.